Imagine for a moment a world where the complexities of human attraction are laid bare, where surprising and unique turn-ons are revealed, and where the diversity of human desire is celebrated. Welcome to that world. We've embarked on an intriguing journey, venturing into the mind of not one, not two, but 10 different individuals, each with their own unique blend of turn-ons. What we discovered may surprise, amuse, or even shock you. First up, we have a woman whose heart races at the sound of a foreign accent. Whether it's the rolling R's of a Spanish speaker or the charming lilt of an Irish brogue, she finds the unfamiliarity captivating and undeniably sexy. Next, we dive into the psyche of a man who adores the scent of freshly baked bread. The aroma, he says, takes him back to his childhood, to a simpler time, and it's this sense of nostalgia that he finds incredibly attractive. Moving on, we meet a woman who is turned on by intelligence. It's not just about the degrees or the job titles, but the way a person thinks, reasons, and articulates their thoughts. She finds the meeting of minds to be the ultimate aphrodisiac. Then we hear from a man who has a thing for laughter. A hearty, genuine laugh, he says, is a sign of someone who doesn't take life too seriously, someone who can find joy in the little things, and that, to him, is irresistibly attractive. As we proceed, we encounter a woman who is drawn to kindness. Acts of compassion, she says, are a testament to a person's character, incredibly appealing, and she finds that afterward, we speak to a man who admits to being attracted to confidence. Not arrogance, but a healthy sense of self-worth, a person who knows their value and isn't afraid to show it. Now, we meet a woman who is turned on by creativity. Whether it's an artist's brushstrokes or a musician's melody, she finds the ability to create something beautiful from nothing to be incredibly alluring. We then hear from a man who appreciates a good storyteller. Someone who can spin a tale that keeps him on the edge of his seat, he says, is someone he finds undeniably sexy. Surprisingly, we discovered common threads in these individual preferences. An appreciation for intelligence, a love for laughter, and a fascination with creativity emerged as universal turn-ons. But perhaps the most surprising revelation? The fact that the simplest things, a warm laugh, the smell of fresh bread, a kind act, could ignite sparks of attraction. It seems in the end, we're all just looking for connections, for shared moments, and for the beauty in the everyday. So next time you're trying to impress someone, remember, it might be as simple as sharing a laugh, baking a loaf of bread, or telling a good story. After all, the human heart is a curious thing, and what ignites its passion may surprise you.